Hey guys, welcome to DIY in 5. I'm Trisha Hirschberger, and today we're talking about the cloud. The part of the internet that stores all of our data and lets us access it from just about anywhere. We live in an age where we always have a phone with us, but not always a PC. So how can you create documents on your PC and then access them on your phone? In this episode of DIY in 5, we'll look at cloud services for sharing files between your phone and PC. All the cloud services we talk about today have a free option that we'll be comparing. First up, OneDrive. It's built in natively to Windows 8 and 10 with seamless support if you've got a new version of Windows. It works across Android and iOS phones and has Mac desktop support. If you already use Microsoft Office apps and Office 365, this is a fantastic way to go because Microsoft engineered it to be seamless. The downsides to OneDrive are that you only get 5 gigabytes of free storage, and the automatic file organization doesn't always work so well. This option is great for die-hard Windows people who already use Windows PCs, phones, and tablets. It was literally made for you. Next up, Google Drive. With 15 gigabytes of free storage, ease of use on iOS, Android, PC, and Mac, and unlimited free photo storage, it's easy to see why Google Drive is a top contender. It has its own full suite of Office-like applications built in so you can create and edit documents in the cloud. It's a fantastic option if you already have a Gmail account, but the storage is shared with that account. So if your Gmail is already about to burst, this may not be the best option for you, or you'll need to consider upgrading for more storage. Also, any documents created with Google Docs will need to be exported if you want to use them anywhere else. This option is great for Google diehards and anyone looking for Office-like software that isn't Office. It's not so great for Windows Phone users. The lack of compatibility is astounding. Now let's look at Dropbox. There are apps for every single device, both mobile and desktop. And the design is very simple, so it's easy for users at all levels. You only start off with 2 gigabytes of free storage, but there's opportunity to earn over 20 gigabytes of free storage by doing simple tasks like recommending friends, uploading photos, and completing tutorials. Should you decide you need more storage than that, it's only $10 a month to upgrade to 1 terabyte of storage. And it supports file sizes up to 10 gigabytes online. Be aware that there are limited options for how your files are shown, due in part to the simplistic interface. Dropbox is great for people who use a lot of different devices and need an easy way to share between them. Okay, now it's time to drop the drop and just talk about Box. Box gives you 10 gigabytes of free storage and has apps for almost all devices, both mobile and desktop, including BlackBerry. There are tons of great collaboration tools for businesses specifically. If you're on the free plan, however, Box only supports files up to 250 megabytes, and there are very few options to change how your files are shown online. All the privacy and sharing features can be a bit overwhelming for everyday users. This is a great option for groups that collaborate on files, especially larger companies. Moving on to our honorable mention cloud service, iCloud. It's essentially OneDrive for Apple devices, but with limited access for those outside of Apple's ecosystem. It only gets an honorable mention for its lack of compatibility, and you only get 5 gigabytes of storage free. If you're anything but a pure Apple user, you probably shouldn't consider iCloud. So what type of cloud storage do you prefer? Let us know in the comments. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel to see more great DIY videos. I'm Trisha Hirschberger, and I'll see you next week.